all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, and you're watching News 9 Digital with me, Deepak. Now, in a respite to many who have been stranded due to the lockdown and the visa ban, the US government has carved out an exception for the spouses and children of H-1B, L-1 and J-1 visa holders. Now, the US government agency statement stated that US embassies and consulates will issue H-4, L2 and also J2 visas if the principal H-1B visa holder is currently in the US or has a valid H-1B visa. So let us go back to the past a little bit and try to find out what Trump administration did. So earlier, Trump government had suspended the entry of immigrants and non-immigrants during the economic recovery following the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak, and the government had issued a visa ban on June 22nd. So this latest move by the US government will come as a big relief for many who have been stuck in India due to the visa rule change and also due to the lockdown. And this particular rule applies to the dependents. So dependents of the H-1B, J-1 and the L-1 visas. So the Indian IT companies had also criticized Donald Trump administration for putting restrictions on the US visa. So this visa suspension has hit Indians the most because many who traveled to India could not return to the US due to these restrictions. So now let us try to understand what H4, L2 and J2 visas are. But for that, we will have to understand what H1B visas, L1 and J1 visas literally are, because H4, L2 and J2 visas are basically the dependents of the main visa holders of H1B, J1 and also L1 visa. So let's start off with H1B visas, and the H1B visa category covers individuals who work in a specialty occupation or engage in cooperative research and developmental projects administered by the US Department of Defense, or are fashion models that have national or international acclaim and recognition. So who is covered under H1B visas? Well, this is most well known as a visa for skilled tech workers, but other industries like healthcare and the media also use these visas. So let us first talk about the H4 visa, which the US embassies and consulates will give to the dependents. So a H4 visa is issued to a dependent family members, which is basically the spouse and the children of H1B visa holders who would like to accompany the H1B visa holders to the US during their stay. And now let's move on to L1 visa. So basically the L1 visa is reserved for managerial or executive professionals transferring to the US from within the same company or a subsidiary of it. So the L1 visa can also be used for foreign companies opening up US operations. So you might be wondering who is covered under the L1 visa. Well, within the L1 visa, there are two subsidiary types of visas. One is L1A visa for managers and executives, whereas the L1B visa are for those with specialized knowledge. And now the US government has also announced a relief for the dependents of the L1 visa holders. So then that includes the spouses and unmarried children who are eligible to accompany their relatives on an L2 visa, which is going to be promised by the US consulates and also the embassy in India. So now moving on to the last visa, which is the J1 visa, and this is an exchange visitor visa for individuals approved to participate in work and study related exchange visitor programs in the US. So now who is covered under this particular visa? Well, the impacted people also include the interns, the trainees, teachers, camp counselors, AU pairs, and also those who participate in summer work travel programs. So the dependents of the J1 visa holders are now getting a relief because of the latest announcement, and that is the J2 visa, which is issued for spouses and the dependents or unmarried children under the age of 21 of the J1 exchange visitors who accompany or later join the J1 holders in the United States. So these announcements by the US government and the US embassies or consulates has come as a major relief for many who are stranded in India, mainly the spouses and the children who are back in India to visit their native places and are stuck due to the lockdown ever since the outbreak began in India. So Earlier, the Trump administration had come under severe criticism for issuing visa bans on people who are mainly dependent on companies and are working in the US. So all of these people with these visas or who fall under these categories can now or are now eligible to travel back to the United States. So guys, if you think this video gave you some sort of knowledge or helped you in understanding the latest announcement by the US government better, please drop in your opinions and comments, and most importantly, also like, share and subscribe to News9 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Thank you for watching.